In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sheet Summary in Smartsheet. We'll walk through a practical example where we start from the Browse panel, open a project, and then save a sheet as a new version in the right folder. As we go, I'll explain what's happening on screen so you can follow along and repeat the process in your own workspace. First, from within Smartsheet, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Browse option. This is your main navigation area. Browse lets you see all of your workspaces, folders, and individual sheets. If you ever feel lost in Smartsheet, this is usually the best place to come back to. Once the Browse panel is open, take a moment to find the workspace or project you want to work with. This might be a portfolio, a client folder, or a team workspace. Click on the project that contains the sheet whose structure or summary you want to reuse. Selecting the right project at this stage helps keep everything organized later, especially if you manage multiple teams or initiatives. Inside that project, you'll see a list of items, folders, reports, dashboards, and sheets. Locate the specific sheet you want to work with and click on it to open it. This will bring you into the main grid view, where you normally edit rows, columns, and any existing summary fields. At the top of the sheet, look for the Actions menu. It's usually near other options like File or Automation. Click on Actions to reveal more options related to managing your sheet. From that drop-down, choose Save as New. This command creates a new copy of your sheet, which is particularly useful if you want to keep the same layout, formulas, and sheet summary structure, but start fresh with new data. A window will pop up asking where you want to save this new sheet. In that window, click on Browse. This opens your folder and workspace structure again, so you can choose a clear, logical home for the new version. Next, select the workspace or folder location where you want this new sheet to live. If you see a folder that's specifically meant for templates, reports, or summaries, click on that folder to keep everything tidy and easy to find later. Once you've highlighted the correct folder, click OK to confirm your choice. Finally, review the sheet name if needed, then click Save. Smartsheet will now create your new sheet in the selected folder, carrying over the structure and any summary configuration so you can start using it right away.